Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can select bitmap selections in Paint to manipulate them. Note that resizing bitmap selections can cause pixel degradation as the selected elements are resized as bitmap selections, not vector-based selections. To select pixels in Paint, click the Select drop-down button in the Image button group, and then choose your desired selection tool. To select a rectangle shape, select the rectangle choice in the drop-down, and then click and drag a rectangle around the pixels to select. Alternatively, to select a free-form drawing shape, choose the Freeform choice in the drop-down menu, and then draw a shape of your own choosing around the pixels to select, ensuring you connect the starting and ending points. When you release the mouse button, only the pixels in the shape you draw are selected, even though the selection shape then appears as a rectangle. To move your pixel selection in Paint, first ensure you have a Color to color choice selected that matches your canvas color. When you move pixels in a selection, the Color to choice fills in the area where the pixels were previously located. Then place your mouse pointer over the border of the selection any place where there is not one of the resizing handles. Your mouse pointer will turn into a four-pointed arrow when you are in a correct location. At that point, click and drag to move the selected pixels within the image. The Color to choice then fills in the area where the pixels were previously located. If desired, to resize a pixel selection, place your mouse pointer over one of the selection's resizing handles at its sides and corners that correspond to the direction in which you want to resize it, until your mouse pointer arrow turns into a double-pointed arrow. Then click and drag in the directions of the arrows to increase or decrease its size. Then release it when it is the desired size. Note that resizing pixel selections often results in jagged pixel edges in the selection. To crop the canvas to fit a pixel selection in Paint, click the Crop button in the Image button group in the ribbon. To rotate a pixel selection, click the Rotate button and then select a choice from the drop-down menu. Note that you can also select this choice when drawing shapes. Likewise, to flip a pixel selection, click the Flip button in the Image button group in the ribbon, and then select a choice. You can also perform this action with selected shapes. To resize or skew a pixel selection in Paint, click the Resize button in the Image button group in the ribbon to open the Resize and Skew dialog box. Then select and enter the desired resizing and/or skewing options, and click the OK button in the dialog box to apply them to the pixel selection. To undo an action in Paint, click the Undo button in the toolbar of the Paint window. To redo an undone action in Paint, click the Redo button in the toolbar of the Paint window. To select all pixels in Paint, click the Select drop-down button in the Image button group in the ribbon, and then click the Select All command. To delete a selection in Paint, which fills the selection with the current Color to color choice, press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the Select button in the Image button group, and then choose the Delete command in the drop-down menu. To cut or copy and then paste pixel selections in Paint, click the Cut or Copy buttons after making a pixel selection as needed. Then click the Paste button to paste the pixel selection into the upper left corner of the image canvas. You can then click and drag the pixel selection to move it to the desired location. To deselect a pixel selection in Paint, which adds it as bitmap data to the image canvas, click outside of the pixel selection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.